Tear, a very common word which generally relates with the emotions. When a person is very happy, when a person is very sad, or someone is in pain, tears comes out of our eyes. Now what is tear? Tear is a very clear liquid that is being secreted from lacrimal glands or the tear gland in our eyes. Now have you heard about there are types of tears? Yes, there are 3 types of tears. One is basal tear, one is reflex tear, and the third one is emotional tear. Now in general we are always talking about the emotional tears, because if someone is in pain, if someone is sad enough, or someone is very happy, so these emotions activates these tear glands and the water rushes out of it. Now, these tears are the drops of water. It also contains electrolytes, proteins, lipids, mucins, and many more. The basal tear, this tear is basically the type where the tears are being generated to lubricate your eyes. It's a very important for our eyes to lubricate it, to prevent it from entering of any sort of dust into our eyes, and it moistens the eye. Second, we have reflex tears. Now this is a kind of a defensive mechanism of our eyes. If you remember last time when you cut or chop the onions, you might have got a lot of tears. Your eyes might have become watery. What was the reason? The reason is basically when we chop the onions, sulfonic acid mixes with the air and forms a irritating gas which enters into our eyes, and to defense that, to protect our eyes from that gas, our eyes start such defensive mechanism, and due to which what happens, the droplets of water comes out of our eyes. This is our reflex tears. Or sometimes if you have seen some sort of dust and enters into our eyes, or some insects enter our eyes, the water start from our eyes automatically. That is again a kind of defensive mode where eyes are being protected from entering such sort of external agents. Third comes as emotional tears. An emotional tear is formed when our feelings are being related, when we get trapped in the emotions. Someone is very happy, someone is very sad, someone is in pain. At that time, emotional tears comes out of our eyes. So you tell me on the comment box, last time when you had tears in your eyes. Thank you. See you in the next